goes quiet, nature is not failing you. She's building you a shelter.
The same wisdom dimming lights to help a hurting heart survive is the wisdom building walls where healing learns again to rise.
My research gave that room a name, the chrysalis, the shell. We're going quiet, it is not the end, though sometimes it feels like hell.
If the world goes blurred and distant,
if your fire turns low and blue,
that is not your spirit leaving, that is nature carrying you.
it is not collapse, it is conservation.
The nervous system making room for restoration.
The going still, the going in, is nature keeping true.
The shelter is not the ending, it is the making of the new. The things I wrote in concrete when I was small and could not see
can now be read with gentler eyes, with some mercy inside me,
with compassion,
with understanding.
what was interrupted long ago can begin again in me. The roots beneath the frozen ground were never done becoming free.
So if your body chooses silence,
If your soul needs less to do not call it broken, darling. It is building something new.
it is not collapse, it is conservation.
The nervous system making room for restoration.
The going still,
The going in is nature keeping true. The shelter is not the ending, it is the making of the new. In the hush a pattern forms, in the dark a pulse remains. Every pause that looked like losing was protection shaped by pain.
and what was paused is not forsaken.
What was buried still can bloom. Nature holds the interrupted till it wakes and fills the room. It is not collapse, it is conservation. The nervous system making room for restoration.
The going still,
The going in is nature keeping true. The shelter is not the ending, it is the making of the new. It is not collapse, it is conservation. Every hidden part is held in quiet transformation. The going still, the going in is nature pulling through. The shelter nature built in us is how we become new. What was interrupted can resume. Nature's way of developing. That is what the shelter is for.